Are you tired of arm workouts that don't deliver results? Want arms that turn heads? Triceps make up 2/3 of your upper arm mass, and building them is the key to creating strong, defined arms. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 tricep exercises that are backed by science to give you bigger, stronger, and more sculpted arms. Stick around till the end. I've got a game-changing bonus tip to accelerate your gains. Let's get started. First up, close grip bench press. Want to add mass and power to your triceps? This powerhouse compound exercise not only builds tricep strength but also recruits your chest and shoulders for added mass and stability. A narrower grip increases tension on the lateral and medial heads of the triceps, boosting muscle activation and hypertrophy. It's a proven method to overload the triceps with heavier weights. To perform it correctly, start by lying on a flat bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Grip the barbell slightly narrower than shoulder width, ensuring your wrists are straight and aligned with your forearms to avoid unnecessary strain. Lower the barbell towards your chest in a controlled manner, keeping your elbows tucked close to your torso throughout the movement. This position minimizes shoulder involvement and places more emphasis on the triceps. Once the barbell touches your chest, press it back up explosively to full arm extension while maintaining control of the movement. Avoid locking out your elbows completely to reduce joint stress. Repeat for the desired number of reps, focusing on smooth, controlled movements to maximize triceps engagement and minimize injury risk. Avoid an overly narrow grip. It can strain your wrists. Tuck your elbows close to your sides to keep the focus on your triceps. Use a spotter for safety when lifting heavy. How much more weight could you lift if your form were flawless? Next up, tricep dips. Feel like your triceps aren't growing. What if you could build mass using just your body weight? This classic bodyweight exercise targets all 3 heads of the triceps, delivering strength and size while also engaging your chest and shoulders. Dips stretch the triceps under load, a mechanism known to stimulate muscle growth. The compound nature of the movement also aids overall upper body strength. To perform them correctly, begin by positioning yourself on parallel bars with your arms fully extended and your body upright. Your grip should be firm, and your elbows should remain close to your body throughout the movement to ensure that the triceps are targeted effectively. Lower your body slowly by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the floor. Avoid flaring your elbows out to the sides, as this can shift the focus away from the triceps and put strain on your shoulders. Push yourself back up by straightening your arms and returning to the starting position. Engage your triceps throughout this motion to maximize muscle activation. Repeat for the desired number of reps, keeping the movement controlled and focusing on proper form to prevent injury and ensure optimal muscle engagement. Keep your torso upright to maximize tricep engagement. Avoid dropping too low to protect your shoulder joints. Progress by adding weight using a dip belt or weighted vest. Next, we'll do overhead tricep extensions with dumbbells or an easy bar. Looking for thicker, fuller arms? This isolation movement focuses on the long head of the triceps, the muscle responsible for that thick horseshoe shape. Placing the triceps in a stretched position enhances tension during the eccentric phase, which is essential for maximizing muscle growth. What's stopping you from achieving that horseshoe definition? To perform it correctly, begin by holding a dumbbell or easy bar with both hands and lifting it overhead. Your arms should be fully extended and your elbows should remain close to your head to maintain tension on the triceps. Slowly lower the weight behind your head by bending your elbows. Ensure that your elbows stay stationary and do not flare out during the movement to focus the effort on the triceps. Lower the weight until you feel a stretch in your triceps, but avoid going too far to prevent strain on your elbows. Once you've reached the bottom of the movement, extend your arms back up to the starting position in a controlled manner. Engage your triceps throughout the motion to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Repeat for the desired number of reps, focusing on form and control to prevent injury and ensure optimal muscle activation. Keep your elbows close to your ears to isolate the triceps. Control the motion. Don't swing the weight. Start with a lighter weight to perfect your form. Next we'll do cable tricep pushdowns. Want to carve definition into your arms? This go-to isolation exercise is perfect for shaping and defining the lateral and medial heads of the triceps. The constant tension provided by the cable ensures continuous activation of the triceps, making this exercise ideal for both hypertrophy and endurance. How defined could your triceps get with just this one move? To perform this exercise correctly, start by attaching a straight bar or rope to the high pulley of a cable machine. Stand facing the machine, grab the attachment with an overhand grip and position your hands at about chest height. Keep your elbows close to your sides throughout the movement to maintain proper form and ensure the triceps are doing the work. From this starting position, push the bar or rope down until your arms are fully extended. Focus on squeezing your triceps at the bottom of the movement for maximum muscle engagement. Avoid locking your elbows forcefully to prevent strain on your joints. Slowly return the bar or rope to the starting position, controlling the movement to keep tension on your triceps. Avoid letting the weight stack slam back down, as this can reduce the effectiveness of the exercise and increase the risk of injury. Repeat the motion for the desired number of reps, maintaining proper form and focusing on controlled movements throughout each repetition. Keep your wrists neutral to avoid strain. Experiment with attachments for varied stimulation. Don't flare your elbows. They're not invited to the party. Let's finish with skull crushers, also known as lying tricep extensions. Want to sculpt your triceps to perfection? This isolation exercise is highly effective for targeting all three heads of the triceps, with an emphasis on the long head. Skull crushers emphasize the eccentric or lowering phase, a critical factor for muscle growth and strength gains. Could this exercise be the missing piece in your routine? To perform it correctly, start by lying on a flat bench while holding an easy bar or a pair of dumbbells. Your arms should be fully extended above your chest with a firm grip on the weights. Keep your wrists straight to avoid unnecessary strain. Lower the weight carefully by bending your elbows, guiding the bar or dumbbells toward your forehead or slightly behind it. Maintain control throughout the movement to prevent accidental drops, ensuring a smooth descent. Your elbows should stay stationary and close to your head to focus the tension on your triceps rather than other muscle groups. Once the weight reaches the bottom position, just above your forehead, engage your triceps to extend your arms back to the starting position. Avoid locking your elbows completely at the top to keep continuous tension on the triceps. Repeat the movement for your desired number of repetitions, focusing on controlled, smooth motions to maximize tricep activation and minimize the risk of injury. Lower the weight slowly to protect your elbows and prevent injury. Keep your upper arms stationary to isolate the triceps. Use a spotter if lifting heavy. Better safe than sorry. Now it's time to know the bonus tip. For maximum gains, finish your tricep workout with a superset of pushdowns and dips. Perform 12 to 15 reps of cable pushdowns, immediately followed by bodyweight dips to failure. This combination floods your triceps with blood, promoting a massive pump and accelerated muscle growth. Building bigger, stronger, and more sculpted triceps isn't just about lifting heavy. It's about training smart. Incorporate these scientifically proven exercises into your routine. Focus on perfect form and progressively overload your muscles. Triceps make up the bulk of your arm size. And with these moves, you'll have the powerful, defined arms you've always wanted. So, which of these exercises are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips. See you next time. Keep watching MedGrow and take care of yourself.